What's up, guys? In this video I'll be showing you how you can start farming distribute AI supercomputer token. This is formerly known as Oasis. They just did a rebranding to distribute. So if you are already farming Oasis, you should have seen the rebranding name on your dashboard already. But if you are yet to start, you are still welcome because this is still a new farming project, which means that you are early. What you got to do is to just check the comment section or the description of this video to copy the link. And if you are already used to node farming or deepin project farming, then you should have known that you need Mrs. Browser or Kiwi browser to get started with your farming. Also, if you are new to deepin project or you still need a guide, then definitely you might want to watch this video to the end because I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can set up your mining dashboard. So without wasting much of your time, let's go. What you have to do is to click on the link in the comment section or the description of this video. It will take you up to this registration page. Click on enter your email and enter your password and sign up if you have not done that before. After signing up, you must go to your email to verify your email. As you can see the email right here, you just have to open the latest email from Oasis and then you just click on verified link. So as you can see, my email has been verified and I am in. Now to get started, you need to download the Oasis extension on your Chrome. You need to move on to the next stage where you'll be able to start the farming. You need to download the Oasis extension, and for you to download extension in your mobile phone, if you are using mobile phone just like I am currently doing, you need either Mrs. browser or Kiwi browser. And in this video I'm going to be using my Mrs. browser, so I'll just open my Mrs. browser. You can go to Google Play Store if you don't have this and download this. So on my Mrs. browser, I will just quickly open another tab. You can see I'm mining grass and node PA. So I will just quickly open a new tab and then I would add Oasis. So you can see the suggestion here, Oasis AI extension. So from the search results, the Oasis AI is the first one here. I just have to click on Chrome Web Store and this should take me to where I will be able to add it to my Chrome. So I will click on add to Chrome and this should add it to my Mrs. extension. So you can see it has been added, and for you to see this extension you just have to click on this icon right here. This is the extension icon and here you will see the list of extension you have here. So I'll just have to click on this Oasis AI and you have to sign in here. Remember, you have registered, and if you have not yet registered, use the link in the comment section or the description of this video to get started. So right here you just have to input your email and password, which I will be doing that right now. So right now I have successfully logged in and I save my password. The next thing you have to do is to find the Oasis extension in Chrome, which I have done that. Connect to a provider. You just have to name your desktop. I'll just name this HTech. I'll click on connect, and as you can see, successfully connected. Your provider is connected. View it on the dashboard. So the next thing is to click on here to see your mining on the dashboard, and with this you just have to stay connected. If you click on this provider right here, you will see the network which you are connected to. So you can see if your own is on this status disconnected, you must make sure that this thing is connected. So you just have to come down right here and click on this three dots here and click here to reconnect. So you can see it say rebinded successfully. So I just refreshed the page and you can see right here that it is connected. After when you are connected to this, the next thing you have to do is to click on this hamburger line here, and here you just click on this credits, and under this credit you will see the list of tasks that you can perform to get some points for yourself. And as you can see, if you maintain provider uptime, so you will get 100 Oasis points credits per hour. If you follow Oasis on X, you will get 1000 credits. Refer, you get 10% credit kickbacks. and you just have to go through this to earn more points for yourself. And as a new user, everything is going to be zero for now, and then I will be doing that. So these are the verification you need to do to make sure that your account is verified. So that's all for now. If you have any question concerning this or any other related topics, you can do well to ask in the comment section below. And if you get any value, don't forget to like, share it for more people to see, and of course, follow this page or subscribe to this channel for more updates like this. See you on the next one. Peace out.